Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about why or how does this honey extension browser scam work. So it's going to be a quick explanation video. So everyone who's reading this basically this is coming off Reddit and it's already been up for a few months or just 1 month actually. So in YouTube videos where influencers are being sponsored here and there, yeah, your actual KOLs and maybe your favorite YouTuber is actually streaming and showing some things, and then something comes up allegedly after what they're saying. So they're saying something about this honey. So what is this honey? So honey allegedly will steal affiliate commissions from influencers, and the video honey replaces influencers with affiliate links with its own, thereby diverting the commission to itself and not the influencer. So they were gonna sponsor some influencers to promote honey basically and blah blah blah. And then the honey discounts are just misleading when you try to actually go and you're interested. So the honey gold, also the rewards program, is a trick basically. And the video portrays honey as a way to incentivize users to allow honey to take affiliate commissions, offering minimal rewards in return. So basically, there's such examples. I'm not going to show the YouTube video because we're not biased right here. So the video will encourage viewers to look at the information inside Honey, to contact the creator, and many much more. But basically, it's just a ton of companies sponsoring a ton of YouTubers, and then they just scam people, and that's it. It's just that simple. So when it comes to things, whatever a influencer is actually sponsoring an item, I suggest you do your own research whether it's a good item or not, if you really need it or just because of the hype. So you don't buy into things that influencers just shill out of nowhere. Must do your own research, and that's how basically the honey extension works as a scam.